Hello world! Welcome to this CorrAI tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to build a double SMA crossover strategy using CorrAI's no-code strategy builder. After signing up and logging in, you'll see the Bitcoin 1-hour close price factor by default. If you prefer a different time frame, no problem. You can close this factor and open a new one, for example, BTC 1-day close price. Next, let's set the time range. Click here to adjust the range, the last 5 years for instance. This gives us enough historical data to backtest our strategy effectively. We have two key features for each price factor. Layers. We'll explore this in a future video. Indicators. Add them by clicking the plus icon. Click the plus button on the price factor. Then, go to the Data tab and search for SMA, since we're building a double SMA crossover strategy. Click the Settings icon to edit the parameters. Let's add SMA30 and SMA88 as an example. Click plus to deploy each indicator to the chart. Now head over to the Backtest section. Here you can configure initial capital, trading fees, take profit, stop loss, and more. In the lower part, this is where CorrAI truly shines. You can build and backtest strategies without writing a single line of code. Let's set up the logic. Entry rule. When SMA30 crosses above SMA88, we open a position. You can always add more logic to make your strategy more complex and adaptive. Exit rule. When SMA30 crosses below SMA88, we close the position. Once you're done, click the play button to run the backtest. Your backtest results will show. Here we will also have Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, Calmar ratio, max drawdown, and more. You can also download the full order book CSV in the bottom. There's so much more to explore. Data distribution, data analysis, data table. And as CorrAI continues to grow, we'll be rolling out even more powerful features. If you're excited about the future updates of CorrAI, like and subscribe for updates. Got any questions or want to join our journey? Feel free to reach out, we'd love to connect. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay focused on your trading inspiration.